In this video, I am going to show you how to find your Windows product activation key. If you lost or forgot your Windows product activation key, especially when you needed to reinstall or activate Windows, in these steps I will guide you on how to find them. 1. Check activation status. Open the Start menu and click on Settings. In the Settings window, select System. Scroll down and click on Activation. Check the activation status displayed. If it shows digital license or digital entitlement, you won't need to find the product key. Press the Windows logo plus R simultaneously to open Run dialog box. Type regedit into the text field and click OK to open the Registry editor. In the Registry editor, navigate through the following path: H key, locale, local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, and software protection platform. Once you've reached that, look for the entry labeled Backup Product Key Default. Double-click on it to view its value. This value represents your Windows product activation key. Note down the key and exit the Registry editor when you're done. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.